Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can send texts on iMessage with some effects. So I'm just going to type in, for instance, happy birthday, and I want to send it with some balloons. So I'm just going to select this blue arrow for a few seconds, and I'm going to also select screen. You can also select some effects from here. I'm going to select screen, and I'm just going to slide it to the left, like so. Then slide it to the left again until I find the effect that I want. For instance, I want this balloon one. Then once I want like the effect that I want, sorry, once that I want the effect, I'm just going to hit the blue arrow button again to send it, and it's going to send it to your friend with that effect. As you can see, if you want to replay it, just press the replay button, and it's going to send it with the balloons. So I'll show you some other effects here as well while we're at it. For a screen, they have echo, spotlight, balloons, confetti, love, lasers, fireworks, celebration, and for bubbles, they have invisible ink, gentle, loud, and slam. I like this. And that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!